Hello, everyone. Fred DeFalco here with Public Pricing LLC and 920 Real Inc. I always like having my sellers say hello to everyone, just so when you're bidding, you know you're dealing with real people. Ron and Felicia, say hello.
Hi there. Nice to
Hello,
meet you.
everybody.
We look forward to working with you.
We're just quickly in a little 1 minute, 2 minute summary, how you found this place and what drew you to it. And now I know you're on to your next dream, which is cool. But just tell a little minute or so.
I can actually answer that. I literally spent hours online, usually around 2 a.m. When we were looking at moving to Florida and from Colorado, and specifically wanted a character property that was close to the water, which my husband Ron here wanted water property. It was important to him. And I came across this beautiful home in Bokeelia. We fell in love with the old Florida charm and saw this house and didn't waste any time taking a look at it.
And buying it.
And buy it. Wrote the check, cash.
It checked both our boxes. She wanted what she just described, and I wanted waterfront. I wanted to go out. I wanted to look from my deck in my bedroom at the beautiful water views.
And truly, we're sad to let it go, but our life has taken a different direction. We have 3 grandbabies, and my husband is very involved in golf, and so this is the reason we're changing direction here. But we love the property.
How old are your grandchildren?
5, 3, and 1.
Now I'm a grandfather of 8 and a great grandfather of 4.
Wow.
So
Oh,
I
wow.
know I've experienced that feeling where you change your entire lifestyle. Listen to that, folks. This is the kind of people you're going to be working with, by the way. This is why I make these recordings. I've been experiencing that feeling you had. Here's the feeling of you had this beautiful lifestyle. You found your dream, but then you started having these babies and you went, wait a minute, we will relocate for them. I love it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
And that age is unbelievable.
Oh yeah, they're in a situation where we do get a lot of videos of them, but we love to visit them more.
Yeah. And then where you are now makes it much more possible. And then you got addicted to golf at the same time.
That's right. Exactly. Yeah.
All right, well, that's great. Folks, these are the type of people you're going to be working with. So go ahead and place that bid now. Don't miss it.